Tonight we're going to make a couscous and arugula salad, but we're going to start by boiling a cup of lentils in 2.5 cups of water. That is because the lentils are going to take a little bit to cook. So once this is boiling together, reduce the heat to a simmer, and then we're going to boil that for 15 to 25 minutes. Now we've removed the lentils from the heat. We want to make sure that we didn't overcook them because you want them to be chewy, not soft, so that they don't fall apart when we put them in the salad. And on that burner instead, we're going to heat 1.5 cups of vegetable broth because we're going to add about 1 cup of couscous to it. Once you have this boiling, you're going to add the couscous. It should look like tiny little pearl beads. Turn off the heat, cover it, and time it for 5 minutes. So now this recipe calls for 4 cups of arugula, but what I did is I used some arugula, and the rest of these are a collection of mixed greens, which are actually sprouts from thinning the garden outside. So you can use really any kind of mixed vegetables. We're going to add a vinaigrette, which I have already prepared. It's mostly a red wine, mustard, lemon juice based vinaigrette with some garlic. So if you have something similar to that, or if you have a particular flavor you like better, I would suggest using that. But we're going to add 1/4 of a cup of that vinaigrette and toss it into these leaves. Now we're going to take the lentils that we cooked and add the couscous that we cooked into the same pan. Now that we've got this mixed together, we're going to add another 1/4 of a cup of the vinaigrette and stir that. You should have enough greens to divide them among 4 plates. Once you have that done, we are going to take the lentil mixture and place that on top of the greens. Also add some diced cucumber, tomato. I didn't have any fresh tomatoes, so I'm going to use a fire roasted diced canned tomato that I made sure was really dry and well drained to make up for some of that flavor. We're going to finish this by topping it with some feta cheese. And then you can drizzle as much dressing as you prefer on top, probably approximately another tablespoon. And then you're all set.